To replace the belt unit, firstly turn off the printer using the power switch. Press the front cover release button and then pull to open. Using the green handle, lift the drum unit and pull up until it stops. Release the lock lever on the left side of the printer and completely remove the drum unit. Place the drum unit on a piece of paper in case of any excess toner. To remove the belt unit, firmly grip the green handles and lift to remove. Again, place the belt unit on a piece of paper in case of any excess toner. Insert the new belt unit into the printer and push down on the green area to lock it into place. To reinsert the drum, firstly ensure that the release lever is in the up position. Put the drum into the printer and push down the lock lever. Push the drum unit in and lock into place. Finally, close the front panel of the printer and switch the printer power back on.
Thanks for watching Healthcare Computing. If you wish to continue viewing our content, please subscribe to our channel.